Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve right click menus extremely slow to load in Windows 11. For this you go to the run, then type here regedit, registry edit, and then press OK. Then you need to go to the H key current user and go to the software and then select Microsoft here and then select Windows option here, Windows, and then current version, then shell extensions, go to the shell extensions. Okay, then select cached. What are the cache memories is there here? Need to select. Control A is not working here. Need to delete one by one. Otherwise in the keyboard you need to press the delete key. After the deleting everything, try to restart your system, then your problem will be solved. That's it. Okay, thank you. Now I am selecting here all for the control shift and arrow mark, and then select right click, delete it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.